Hello friends, welcome back. This is Manish Pandey. Today in this video I am going to show you how to get a specific file types from folder. Might be you know how to get files from folder, but today I am going to show you something different. Let's say we have this folder name. If you are just passing this path, so it will just give you PDF from this one. But if you want to get PDF files from all these subdirectories, subfolders, then how can you do that? So for that, let me open UiPath Studio, and first let me take one assign activity just to assign the path of that PDF file path. Let me create one variable so that we can store that str file path, and we are going to pass this file path, double quotes, enter that one. Now we need to take one assign activity where we can write our that VB expression to get a specific file type. It can be only text file, only Excel file, only Excel SM file, only zip file, based on your work. If you are working on a project where every time you have to read the PDF files and then take the name of that PDF files, add that names to queue, it means you are adding the PDF file name to the queue and you are processing and you are moving that PDF file to the completed folder like that. So if you are working on that type of project, you can only select PDF type of file, right? If you are working on any Excel related work, so you can just get all the Excel files. Now let me write here assign. So let's say I'm going to write here PDF files. Control K, create one variable with array of string PDF files. So this is the type of array of string, you can select from here, and now we need to write here directory dot get files. It means we are going to get files from this specific directory, open close bracket, and then here you can see path as a string. So now we have this path, that variable type is a string, so just write here str file path. Now you need to press here comma, enter comma. Once you will enter comma here, you will get search pattern. So which type of file, which pattern you want to apply here. So I want to get only PDF files. So here you will see in this folder I have zip file, also PDF files. In this one I have PDF, in this one PDF, in this I have text file, zip file and Excel file. But I want to get only PDF files from this main folder and the subfolder also. So I will write here comma, double quotation, because if you see here, once we will press comma, it shows that search pattern as a string. So we need to pass in the double quotation. So our pattern is star dot PDF. So only we want PDF file, and star dot means name can be anything, but after that dot PDF, we want only PDF file. Now click OK. I will show you something at the end here that will take data from all the subfolders. Currently it will just get PDF files from this folder. Now we will take for each activity here just to get all the files from this array of a string, so that we can list out here. So we will take for each, and the type will be string, for each PDF file, and then this will be PDF files. let's take one right line and just write here PDF file. So this is the name that we are putting here. Now if I'll run here, so it will give us only invoice 5. It will not give you all the files, PDF files which is available inside these subfolders. You can see in the outputs we just have only one PDF file. Now if you want to get PDF files from all these subfolders, then you just need to make changes to this VB expression. After this .pdf, you need to enter comma, and then you can see here we have a search option as a search option. So we'll write here search option dot, now here we have all directories. Search option dot all directories means it will search from all the directories. It means it will start searching that PDF files inside this all the available subfolders. It will start searching from these subfolders, and then it will give you the all the PDF files only. Now let me run that. Now you can see, now it is giving 5 PDF files, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because we have 5 PDF files available here. You can search in by this way star.pdf. So you can see here, so by this way, like our search is also working the same way, star.pdf, and this is taking the search option as a all subfolders. So it is working based on this Windows features. So I hope you like this one. If so, please like this video and please subscribe this channel if you have not subscribed yet. Thank you so much for watching this video.